Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you the third part of Red Hat, because Red Hat jobs are still pending. So in this video we will just discuss jobs, company information, enterprise Linux, all Red Hat products. So let's start the video. Jobs. Open unlocks the world potential at Red Hat. Our commitment to open source extends beyond technology into virtually everything we do. We collaborate and share ideas, create inclusive communities, and welcome diverse perspectives from all Red Hatters. No matter their role, it what makes us who we are. Okay, what we do. Some of the most knowledgeable and passionate people in the technology industry work here, whether we are building softwares, campaigning our products, or training new associates. We are collaborating openly to make a difference in the world of open source and beyond. What we offer to ensure the success of every Red Hatters, we offer flexible scheduling, career growth and development opportunities, remote options, health and well-being initiatives, meaningful rewards and associate recognition programs. These opportunities give Red Hatters the work-life balance necessary to make them happier and more productive. So next is Enterprise Linux. We discussed earlier, but few things left to tell you about. What is Red Hat Enterprise Linux? Red Hat Enterprise Linux is an enterprise Linux operating system certified on hundreds of clouds and with thousands of vendors. Red Hat Enterprise Linux provides a consistent foundation across environments and the tools needed to deliver services and workload faster for any application. Red Hat Enterprise Linux reduces deployment friction and cost while speeding time to value for critical workloads, enabling development and operation teams to innovate together in any environment. Expand to the edge. Red Hat Enterprise Linux extends your hybrid cloud infrastructure to the edge. Okay, Red Hat products. What is Red Hat used for? Red Hat offers a variety of open source software that develops engineers and business. Is Red Hat the same as Linux? Linux is a Linux based operating system that is designed for businesses. It is the successor of Fedora's core. It is an open source distribution like a Fedora. Thank you.